Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about mapping. How do I do mapping? Actually, it's very simple. We're gonna use weekly first. So for me, I will start from weekly. So from weekly, we need the sell zone. So a sell zone, we're gonna mark at the bearish engulfing. Okay, so this is gonna be our bearish engulfing at here. This candle. So the zone is big, we change the zone into half, cut the zone into half. Okay, good. Now we want the buy zone. Where is the buy zone? Will be somewhere around here. So this is a bullish engulfing zone for weekly. So the zone is big, I cut the zone into half. Okay, simple. And then this is my sell zone and buy zone. So the lowest part here will be the best price for we to buy. So I'm gonna mark one more buy zone. Will be somewhere around here. Okay, this is weekly chart. So for weekly chart, actually is too big for we to do entry. So this is just a graph for we to see where is the point that we need to pay attention. Now we want more precise zone, so we need to change to daily. So let's see, in the area around the weekly zone, is there any daily bullish engulfing zone that we can find? Yes, we will have a better zone here. Okay, this is in daily and this zone is quite big. I'm gonna cut the zone into half. Okay, and in the weekly zone here, is there any daily bullish engulfing? Yes, so we're gonna mark the zone to here. And then this zone is big. I'm gonna cut the zone into half. Okay, and then what about the daily zone, the sell zone? So for sell zone, we will have a big sell zone, something like this, and we can cut the zone into half. Okay, done for daily. Okay, so actually, if the price wanted to go up, so this gonna be our possible nearest sell zone for daily. Okay, because this is a weekly zone, but we make it more precise using daily zone. Okay, so if you want to sell, this is a good place for you to sell. If you want to buy, this is a good place for you to buy. And now we talk about daily zone. Okay, in daily chart. So in daily chart, we will have a zone here. This is a buy zone. So we're gonna mark using different color. Let's say blue color. So we will have a buy zone here. This zone is big. I'm gonna cut a zone into half, something like this. Okay, this is the buy zone. And then do we have any sell zone here? Unfortunately, we don't have any sell zone. Okay, and we want to find a nearest buy zone, will be somewhere around here. Okay, we can see a burger like the yellow candle and the white candle and the yellow candle again. So this is gonna be a big buy zone, something like this, but I'm gonna cut the zone into half. So the price come to take price at the nearest demand buy zone. If the price respect to the zone, meaning the price will go up, break up and form a higher high. So if the price able to break down the nearest demand buy zone, meaning price will possible come to the weekly, and this is the after I classify using daily zone. So this is gonna be a good zone for we to buy. Okay, so this is about daily. Okay, and then after 1825, is there any zone here? So we try to look at daily. Yes, we will have the zone here, but this zone is quite near to the weekly zone, so I don't recommend you to entry here. This kind of zone only for scalping. Okay, so very simple. So if the price respect to the buy zone, so the price will go up higher. If the price don't respect to the buy zone, meaning the price will drop, possible come to the orange weekly zone here for you to buy. Okay, if the price also don't respect to here, meaning the price will go to here. Okay, and so on. Okay, and this kind of zone, if the price don't respect the buy zone will turn into sell zone. Okay, so any entry that if you want to entry, make sure you use confirmation or filter. Okay, the most common confirmation or filter will be the shadow entry, level 2 confirmation, QM, situation, and bullish engulfing, higher low, bullish engulfing, lower high, bearish engulfing. So that will be the common confirmation and filter. And then for sell, same thing, the price will be somewhere around here. Okay guys, now we change to H4. Okay, now we will try to mark the H4 zone. Okay, H4 zone, we can see a bearish engulfing around here, so we can mark the H4 zone. Okay, H4 zone, I'm gonna use purple color. This is a bearish engulfing zone. So this actually is quite big. I'm gonna cut the zone into half. Okay, so this is the place for me to sell if the price come. I can try to look for confirmation and then I can entry sell. So where to buy? The price come and already take the price at the demand buy zone here. Touch and then flies up. So meaning this zone already not valid or maybe not fresh, but this zone is quite big. I'm gonna draw it. This zone actually is quite big. The upper part already being used, doesn't matter. We try to use it, cut the zone into half. We try to use the lower part to take some scalping. So this is a good scalping buy zone for H4, okay? So next, the price will come to the zone here. So this zone already being used as the price touch and then flies up. So same thing, we can use the lower part to take some scalping. But I don't want to take it because the zone is quite near to the purple, to my purple zone here. So I don't want to use it. If you want, you can mark it. How to mark? Actually, very simple. Same thing. We talk about bullish and bearish engulfing. So we try to mark at the bullish engulfing. Will be here. From here to here. So you can cut your zone into half, something like this. Okay, but the zone is quite near, so I don't want to draw the zone. Okay. Next, the good zone for we to buy again will be inside the red zone here, inside the orange zone here. Okay. The orange zone here, the price haven't come to retrace, meaning we can try to find an entry to buy here. Okay. But the price already come and retrace. Okay, sorry. The price already come to retrace because we can see the shadow here, touch and then flies up. So the zone may be not valid. So we only can take the lower part here. Okay, lower part. If you want to take some scalping, you can use this demand buy zone. So if you want to set, you can draw the zone. You can draw the zone. Something like this. And this zone is quite big. You can cut the zone into half. Okay, done. So this is the mapping for gold. Okay, guys. So for purple color is where we can use to do some entry. And we can try to find confirmation. Okay, guys. Okay, if you want the sell zone become buy zone, or maybe the buy zone become sell zone, you can use this zone. Okay. Okay, this is a sell zone. Okay, sell zone. we talk about bearish engulfing will be from here to here, the yellow candle, and then cut the zone into half. So this is a sell zone. So when the price come and don't respect, so this zone gonna turns into buy zone. After the candle body breakdown again, so this buy zone will turn into sell zone again. So if the price come to the purple zone here, we can try to find confirmation of filter to entry sell. Okay, there are so many more. There are many more. Okay, this is also a zone. Price come and take the sell after candle body breakup, meaning this zone will turn into buy zone. Okay, and then will turn, if the price able to break down again, will turn into sell zone again. So no need to mark so many zone, just few zone for you to monitor, for you to pay attention with. If the price come, we can try to take after we see confirmation. Okay, guys. So confirmation actually is very simple. For me, I would love to use the shadow entry. So most of my entry, I will use the filter of shadow entry. So you can see the shadow here, M30, and then we can add entry here and go up. So my SL gonna be only 20 to 40 pips away from the rejection candle. Okay. If you don't want to use confirmation of filter, you can just set 30 pips away from the zone, your SL. So make sure your risk reward ratio is good. So minimum gonna be 0.7 reward with 1 risk. Better you have 1 risk and 1 reward. That is the better one. Okay, guys? The higher the reward, the better the ratio. Okay, guys?